I'm Ting Ting from Yunnan province of China. I'm here in Damoyu village, and I founded a project called Good Day Sustainable Living Center. And we're here want to build an eco community. That's why I chose to support this cause also. And our new neighbors and the new villagers and all the young generation from all over the China, we all want to know the holistic concept of community, eco community, and also we all want to practice. Yeah. And from this course, I heard from the participants, they said they connected each other very well. And also, what's more, I'm very happy, they all said they want to practice what they have learned from this course. And I hope the future in China, we will have a lot of eco community. And also we can change the lifestyle. Yeah, thank you.